Hey, let me quickly explain how you can clean your Google Pixel Watch 3. So first of all, you have to use a soft, lint-free cloth. And I'm using actually this one. It's the microfiber cloth, which is actually ideal for avoiding scratches, especially on the screen. But also you can dampen the cloth slightly with water. So we got like two options: the normal cloth with water or the microfiber. And then if you want to clean the surface, like the screen for example, you have to gently, like really gently, slide like that all around the screen to remove all of this, this fingerprints, greasy mark from the screen, from the case, right here, from the sensors. Take a look how many mess and greasy marks we can find here. So it's actually recommended to clean this area like 2 times per week, 3 times per week, to get the clean sensors, to get the most accurate data on the device. And as I said before, do not put too much force right here, just do this gently. You can also do the same with your bands. If there's like some kind of the dirt right here, you can gently clean them with this microfiber cloth. And if you have like stubborn dirt, then you can use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol with 70% of concentration, but avoid getting it into openings like the speaker, which is located here, and the microphone, which is located here. And if your bands are really dirt, then you can simply remove them and you can clean them with the water and the soap, and then you can dry them. You have to actually dry them completely. Of course, you have to remember that this watch is completely waterproof, so also we can put it under the water. It's not gonna damage your device. And yeah, after you clean these bands, your body of the watch, then you can simply dry it. Like for example with paper towel or with this microfiber cloth. But you have to remember to avoid some kind of the bleach, ammonia, or for example the abrasive materials that could scratch the screen, or for example submerging leather bands in the water, but this one are actually silicone. So there's like a few steps that will definitely help you to clean your watch. Thanks for watching.